Open it. Daddy's playing. What you got, Daddy? Oh. Sissy, open your present. Levi already got his open. That's a cool dinosaur, buddy. Oh, Mommy got the video turned. That's okay.
Papa.
Here, Sissy. Open it.
Go hide.
Here you go. Right here. Alright.
That's a kick hole like that.
Yeah.
Hey, what?
We'll take him out in a minute, okay? Open, Sissy.
What did it got?
I don't know. What did Santa bring her?
He gave me my apple.
Yeah.
He gave me my.
Open up.
Good job.
Mama.
What is that, Sissy? Look.
That is the horse.
Look, Sissy. A horsey.
But what's stuck in the heel?
It's in a purse, see? Look, let Mommy help. There you go.
That's a horsey.
A horsey.
I like that.
Very nice. She wants to open it.